In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add a new page or duplicate a page in Canva. Whether you are building a presentation, a multi-page document, or a social media carousel, knowing how to quickly add or copy pages will speed up your workflow and keep your design consistent. Let's start with adding a brand new page. The quickest way is right beneath your current design. Look directly under the canvas and click the Add Page button. This drops a fresh blank page into your project with the same size and settings as the one you are on, so everything stays aligned with your existing design. If you are working with many pages and want a broader view, switch to Grid View. At the bottom right, click the grid icon showing your current number of pages. This opens a page manager where you can see everything at a glance. From here, click Add Page to insert a new blank page. This view is especially handy when you are planning the flow of a document since you can see context around the page you are adding and ensure it lands exactly where you want. Here is also a quick access option at the top right of the page. Look for the small plus icon near the edge of your canvas. Clicking that adds a new page instantly. It's a nice fast tap when your hand is already near the top controls. Now, if you want to repeat a page with the same layout and content, duplicating is your best friend. The simplest method is to use the duplicate page icon. On the top right of the page, look for the icon that looks like two overlapping squares with a plus symbol. Clicking it creates an exact copy right after the original. You'll also find the same duplicate icon on the page thumbnail strip at the bottom. Just hover over a thumbnail and click the icon to copy that specific page. This is perfect for maintaining consistent design elements across a series, like a slide deck or a carousel. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, select the page thumbnail first, so it's clearly highlighted. Then press Command-D on Mac or Control-D on Windows. That instantly duplicates the entire page. Make sure your selection is on the page thumbnail and not inside a text box, so you copy the page rather than just an element. That's it. Thanks for watching.